जम्मू आ गए, दिल्ली आ गए, अलग अलग जगह पे आ गए, और अभी सरकार उनको कह रही है कि फिर से हम
मेरी बात समझ गए? क्या सबके साथ मर्डर हो जाता है? क्या सारी बहुएं जला के मार दी जाती
Yes, Mr. Rituraj, you see. What is the meaning of this name?
Sir, Rituraj means king of all season, that is spring season.
Acha, very good. Tell me something about yourself and your family.
Sir, I belong to Muzaffarpur, Bihar. I have done my BA LLB honors from Rajiv Gandhi National Law University in 2022, and since then I have been preparing for judicial service. My father is in government service and my mother is homemaker.
Very good. So, in which year did you, complete LLB course?
Sir, in 2022.
2022. You are a fresher. Very good.
Yes.
2022. So, can you tell me, you are, a student of 5 years course, and there is also a system of 3 years course.
Yes.
So, what is the difference between 5 years and 3 years?
Sir, in 5 year course, there is integrated course in which both BA, the graduation subject as well as law subject, both are taught, whereas in 3 year, it takes place after the graduation and it is of 3 years.
Like, what is the content? Difference in the content of syllabus. What is the
Uh,
difference in the content of the syllabus?
Sir, as per my knowledge, sir, the syllabus are same in both the 3 year as well as 5 year. But it is studied in 5 year in a systematic way. That is, from first year onwards,
I
we are
think
taught.
in 5 years course, you have a foundational course of other social sciences also. Political
Yes, sir.
science, sociology, other social sciences are also included in the foundational course of 5 years.
Yes, sir. In the first 3 year, we are also taught social science subjects.
Anyway, what was your optional paper in Bihar Judiciary?
Sir, constitution and administrative law, contract and torts, and family law.
What have you studied about the basic concepts of constitution? What are the areas which you have studied today?
Sir, I have studied the fundamental right portion.
Fundamental rights you have studied. So, what is protection against ex post facto law?
Sir, it is provided under Article 20, Clause 1, which provides that a person shall not be convicted for any act which is not the offense at the time when such act was committed, and he shall not be subject to greater punishment that was prescribed by law at that time.
Very good. So, can there be any retrospective criminal law under Article 20, Clause 1?
No, sir, there cannot be retrospective criminal law according to Article 20, Clause 1.
What is rule of beneficial construction?
The rule of beneficial construction provides that when any provision or any law is made which benefits the accused in a later after the conviction or after the trial, then such law is applied to such convicted person in order to mitigate his sentence.
Can you name the judgment which decided this rule of beneficial construction?
Sir, as far as I can recall, it is Buddha Singh versus sorry sir, मैं पूरा नाम recall नहीं कर पा रहा.
Anyway, what is the new judgment in 2004? A very important judgment. This is titled as Sita Soren versus Union of India 2024. What is this judgment?
Sorry sir, I am not aware about this.
What is this judgment on Section 6A of Citizenship Act 1955.
Sir,
Can you
it is
name the title of this judgment, case title?
sir Assam Sangh Militia Mahagathbandhan versus Union of India.
No, this is not the title of the judgment. The title of the judgment is in reference 6A of Citizenship Act 1955. This is the title.
Sorry, sir.
In reference 6A, please remember, of Citizenship Act 1955. Now, in reference, what do you mean by in re? Re means reference. What do you mean by re? In re का मतलब क्या हुआ?
Sir, re means in a reference to that particular provision when the president refers the Supreme Court for the advisory opinion, then word re is used. Or when the court, Honorable Supreme Court, suo moto takes cognizance of any issue, then it provides that in re, in reference to.
And when it is, I mean, referred by a smaller bench to higher bench, then it is also called reference.
Mm. Yes, sir, but I'm not sure about it. I will read about it.
Anyway, so what is cooperative federalism?
Sir, it is a type of federalism wherein the central and state both cooperate with each other for the betterment of citizens in making policies, implementation of policies, and division of power. They cooperate with each other.
Is there any provision in our constitution with regard to cooperative federalism?
Yes, sir. For example, they like if or more state refer the parliament for making laws, then parliament make laws on with the consent of two or more state under Article 252.
No, that is not the point, you see. I was asking, cooperative federalism, is there any direct provision in the constitution? There is one provision, Mr. Rituraj, if you remember fairly well, that is, Article 263, Constitution of Interstate Council. If you remember,
Yes, sir.
that is the article which talks about the Constitution of Interstate Council. And the president has already constituted in the year 1990. That's the constitutional cooperative federalism. Anyway, so can the governor sack the state minister on the basis of pleasure of the governor? Can the governor sack the state minister on the basis of the provision pleasure of the governor? क्या गवर्नर सैक कर सकता है?
Sir, as far as I can recall, governor act on the basis of council of ministers advice. If advice is tendered, then only governor sacks.
Yes, तो आप उसको you can put it this way that, sir, we have a parliamentary system of government. And in parliamentary system of government, the executive is responsible to the legislature. So
Indeed.
the executive, union executive or state executive or head of the has to act in accordance with the aid and advice of the council. Yeah, answer. This is the real answer, you see. Okay.
Yes.
So
Subscribe for more content.